What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be checking out an SPR4. But I bet you're wondering, why are we just checking out the SPR4? Because, well, it's not exactly your typical SPR4. This is the Sahara mod that adds more off-road versions of off-roady versions of the SPR4. So this is the normal. This is the base Sahara. Well, it was the base Sahara, and now it's something with a broken steering wheel. Look, I'm fully turning to the left. And I'm still not going here, going straight. So I'm just gonna kick on the slow mode and sit back and relax and just wait for something not good to happen. Oh yeah, that's about to. Oh, okay. Boom! Oh, yes. Still turning. Didn't fix the steering problem, but hey, let's give it a better run than that. Just kidding, I just wanted to jump it off. No. Now, boom. Okay, and now, so there's not a ton of configurations, but there's a decent amount. As you can see next to videos right here. Oh, and there's another video right there too. So look, we've got the base, the other base. We got the the other S. Then we have the Sahara prototype, Sahara this, and then that's it. Alright, now let's have the mid-range Sahara model with the basket LED light, lower range box, and shorter final drive. So this is like an even better version. Turn on. Oh, but it has diffs too. Let me take a look. Wait, let's see. Let me. No way. Some trucks can't even do that. Dude, I like this thing. I need to drive the S more. Oh, I didn't realize there was a rock there. Okay, we're gonna give it a better chance. Let's see how fast we can get it to go. Ooh, interior is nice. Why is it not? Brake. Okay, yeah, it's stuck. Oh, I did mess up the suspension. Oh. Get over. Oh, I forgot about the other base. Well, okay, how about this? We'll stick with the normal faced ones and then we'll switch to the not normal faced ones. But I do kind of like this Sahara new face. Or like the newer Sahara face. I like that. Like, I think the game should really, keep the, you should really add that. Okay, I'm not gonna do a video on the Terrier Moose, I just kinda like it, so I have it installed. But yeah, I completely forgot about the other faces. So I'll do this in a second. I'll do those after. Okay, we'll skip to the Sahara Special Edition, and then we'll go to Sahara Prototype, and then we'll do all of them. There's all of the other faces. Special Edition Sahara. Oh, it's manual. Did not notice. Oh, this thing rips. Oh crap! Maybe it rips a little too much. No, I take that back. It does not rip a little too much. It's perfect. Oh, never mind. Oh! Oh, it stalled it. Okay. Maybe I should unlock the rear diff. Oh, rear right hatch is broken. Perfect. So now we can turn back on the rear diff. Oh no, I hit hydro lock. Okay. Okay, well then that's fine, I guess. You know what? I'm gonna save the Sahara Prototype for the last because it's like the most off-roadish one. So I'm gonna save that one for the last. I'm gonna save that one for the last one. Cause then I have a challenge. Oh crap! My against the wall fell. Okay. So, and then now we just start going to the other faces, I guess. I think the game should have. What? It's the same as all the other faces? Okay, whatever. Okay, so I guess we're not doing those ones because it's the same. So I guess we'll just skip to the Sahara Prototype right now. Oh, SBR4 is up here. Stu. I love this. I want this in the game. Why can't this be a thing? Is it manual? It is, okay. It means I can clutch it, grab it, and then ready. Driving manuals is pretty easy. You can just clutch in and then floor it. So clutch in. Oh, there's a fifth gear. Okay. Oh wait, 6. No. We don't want to be in 6. We don't want to be in 5th. Can we go back to 3rd? We can. I'm just gonna let it coast. Or just go. sounds good. Okay, boom, made it to the challenge. Some H series can't do this trail. Some D series, like the super long ones, kind of struggle. Alright, maybe with my driving they kind of struggle. But let's see, if this can make it up there, so if this can do the whole trail, that would be quite impressive. Well, I was gonna say without damage, but well, that's gone, so. And no resets allowed. This rear bumper looks like gonna fall off at any minute now. I'm sure this didn't fall off there. That's what I've always noticed about the rear bumpers. You know when they're half hanging on, they always hang on by like a thread. Oh, that's what's wrong. Oh no, nothing's wrong apparently. Okay. I don't think I need to load here. How is this rear bumper still hanging up? I know this is kind of boring, guys. I just want to see this trail. This is the farthest I've ever made it on the trail. Was the farthest I've ever made it on the trail. So that happened. It shut off again, are you kidding? This is the farthest I've ever made it on this trail, so I'm just kind of modulating this thing. Release the prototype. There we go, bumper's finally off. Look at this one, it turns right. Left is fine, but right. upside down. Dude, that's actually just happened when you complete the trip. Well, so that's been AZ Studios. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!